Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our annual end of the month meeting. I would like to introduce you all to our new accountant, Mr. Tom. He's going to be taking over from Mr. Akpaku for this month of December. So from right now, I want you all to give him your full support so he can achieve his goal.
Thank you very much, sir, for the opportunity given to me. I promise you I will not let you down, and I'm going to increase your profit 20 times over.
That's very good, Mr. Tom. That's very good. That's what I like to hear. So for now, Mr. Sam, by all means, please commence the briefing.
Thank you very much, sir. Myself and Madam Joy here, we are both proud and happy with all the reports received from all the branches around the country. So let me show you the charts so you can see how far we have done for the fourth quarter of the year, sir. As you can see, the revenue generation is up and we are now making more than we have ever made since the beginning of this branch. We hope with the introduction of Mr. Tom to the branch, we will see more significant rise in profit before the end of this year.
See this man. See, they try challenge me. They hold me, Mr. Tom, Lagos guy.
And judging from Mr. Tom's incredible qualifications, me and Madam Joy with Madam Sandra here also expect nothing less but great things for our new colleague, Mr. Tom.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sam. I would also like to pitch in my own suggestions and opinion, if you don't mind.
By all means, Madam Sandra, please continue.
Thank you once again, Mr. Sam. I'm very happy that we are able to meet our quota and our target this year. But my main worry here is our new accountant, Mr. Tom. We are yet to fully verify all the certificates that he presented to us. I'm putting him in a sensitive position regardless of his qualification to me seem a little bit risky, sir.
Which one be all these ones now? Why all these people want pause and sign for my carry? It be like say these people don't want to respect my authority.
I understand your worry, Madam Sandra, and I want you to know that I am the one vouching for Mr. Tom.
Okay, sir, no problem, sir. We'll just have to wait for the verification to come through.
That's alright, I understand. Mr. Sam, you can take it from here. I have an appointment in Abuja, so I have to leave for the airport right away.
Thank you very much, sir. Don't worry about anything. I'll take care of Mr. Tom and get him integrated on his first day.
That's very good. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That's all for the day.
70 years old man.
It be like say this Madam Sandra is my number one problem for this place.
This Mr. Tom guy, I'm very suspicious about him. I need to move fast and verify his certificate.
I need to find out when they go pay me my first salary so I go quickly collect the money run before Yawa go gas for me for here.
Excuse me, Mr. Tom. One moment, please.
Excuse me, Mr. Sam. I noticed Madam Sandra has been very aggressive against me, and I wonder why.
Oh, Mr. Tom, you have nothing to worry about. It's our job to make sure that everybody is qualified for the position.
I didn't know that.
Anyway, that's not a problem. Let me quickly take you to your office so you can resume work for the day. And here we are, Mr. Tom. Welcome to your new office. I hope he meets your standard, but we can try and make some improvement for you later.
Oh boy, see office. Life good though. But make I calm down, I no go cast myself for this guy front. Mr. Sam, I wanted to find out, when do I get paid?
Don't worry, Mr. Tom. We have already started the payment process and you should have the money by the end of the day. So for now, let me allow you settle down, but I'll be back to check on you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Sam. I really appreciate it. Thank God I no waste time when I meet that oga. This my brain dey calculate.
One more thing, Mr. Tom. On your table there is a list of names of bank customers you'll be approving for loan today. So please follow the instructions given to you there. I'm sure you will do just fine.
No problem, Mr. Sam. I wonder wetin Joe go talk if he hears I dey work for this bank. E no matter, may I quickly call am, make my guy know as they go. Hello Big Joe, how far now my guy, how your side now?
Tom, I did. How far now? I don't see you today for sure. What thing happen?
My guy, na long story man. The get one chairman when I see yesterday for where I go chop. Now so him money fall for ground or help and pick am. From there, me and the man start to dey talk. Before I know am, now I hear say the man na the owner of this bank, Big Man Bank. You know that bank now?
Yes, Tom, Big Man Bank. That man na billionaire. Come on, you lucky girl.
Joe, na so now, you know now, as a Lagos guy, all you fool my head.
But Tom, if you want to work for bank, you need to dey qualified now. But you no go school now. How you go take do am?
Joe, my guy, why you dey talk like this now for streets? You know as they go now. Just go meet one of my guy where they do printing. Just help me print some certificate for me.
Tom, na big risk you dey take o. They catch you this time you go take for jail well o. And you know say Christmas don nearly reach.
No worry, this is certificate when I present. The guy do am well, grade A. If you see my certificate, one are from Harvard, the other one are from Cambridge, another one are from one university like this for Chicago.
Ah, Tom, you dey play with fire. Me, I don't talk my own o. May just do big come out from there before you cast. If you cast, na straight to jail o.
Oh yeah, Joe, I don't hear you. Once I collect my cash, I go dey leave.
Okay, now Tom, no wahala. If you meet for Madam Gate bar, but if you dey come, abeg help me bring small cash o. You know say cash no dey down like that.
No wahala, Joe. I go arrange something for you. May I quickly go back to work?
Oya, na no problem now.
Na true Joe talk o. Once I collect my money, make I leave here because as I dey like this, my mind dey tell me say something wan happen. Oh boy, thank God oh, the money don't enter. Man, I quickly come out from here before these people come catch me.
And where do you think you are going, Mr. Tom? Officer, that is the imposter there. Please arrest him.
I know this man now. Mr. Tom, now you again. What did they find for this bank? So you don't come here call the impersonate banker now, abi? No worry. By the time we carry reach station, you will explain yourself better. Officer, now hunger na cause this thing though. Thank you very much, my country people. I'm glad you enjoyed our program. Please hit like and subscribe to support our cause.